everyone, this is just a simple loop bun pleat hairstyle. Take no time to do this hairstyle. First we're going to spray with some texture spray, then take two sections off the side, tie that into a ponytail, then spray some more texture spray, pinch and pull it out. Next we just do that into a loop, the top section, pull it through nice and secure, then pin that away, tie the bottom section into a ponytail like that, let down the top, then pinch and pull that a little bit. Then the loop section, all we do is bring that over to the left side, split that into three sections. We're going to do a simple pleat to it, but it's just we're going to take a little bit off that ponytail and bring that into the middle. Then take the bottom section like that and then bring that into the middle. We're going to do a little pleat to it. So simple. Take another section of the ponytail again, just at the side, bring that in the middle and take that all the way to the bottom. Then we have something looking like this. Just pin it away, then spray some texture spray, pinch and pull that out a little bit just to give you a bit more volume to it. Then twist it around onto the right side, bring that all over and then pin that at the bottom. You use as much bobby pin as you need with the groovy side down like this, nice and secure. There we go. And then pinch and pull the crown a little bit more. Then the loop, you just pull that out, then spray with some hairspray, and this is the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye.